Hi everyone, so we are on our trail to Brahmatal. We are a group of 7 people. We started from the base village, which is called Lohajang. And the plan for the day is to reach Bekaltal. The trail is pretty wide and open. We started a little late in the morning. Actually, for this trek again, we are carrying everything that we need on our shoulders, except food. Because there are huts on top where you can get food. Now I just want to share one small thing that I don't consider any trek to be an easy one or a moderate one or a difficult one, because the level of difficulty has nothing to do with the trek as such. It has to do with the fact that how you decide to do that trek. So you carry everything that you're going to need on top of that hill, and I think that is the core idea of getting into the wild. There's a huge amount of peace in this place. Just keep this raw feeling of trekking alive. When you're in the wildlife, don't shout. Okay, avoid talking. I'm not saying that what other people are doing is wrong, but I think this is the most serene, pure and beautiful way to do treks. So guys, this is what the campsite looks like. Up top there is the Bekaltal. So as you can almost leave everything at the campsite and make your move to Bekaltal. Now Bekaltal is at a very small hike of 5 to 10 minutes from that camping spot. Chai.
Hi guys, good morning. This is day 2 at the Brahmatal trek. My sleeping bag is your heat source when you are camping, so always keep your water bottles, electronic gadgets inside your sleeping bag while you are sleeping, so the body heat that is conserved by the sleeping bag, that heat itself is used to keep everything that you need warm. Dr. Trust. पहला वाला ऑक्सीजन, सेकंड वाला
पल्स रेट आपका जैसे ट्री लाइन में तो 75 चलेगा आपका, ठीक है। जैसे ऊपर जाते हो आप 14,000 फीट पे 80 प्लस होना चाहिए।
97. So guys, after a little bit of cleaning, looking into the TV pockets, our tent is clean and we are ready to wrap it up.
Any point of time at any place where you camp, please make sure that you follow this leave no trace policy and be a responsible trekker. Follow his words.
So we are full on ration. Chalo.
So we are leaving our campsite and the next stop will be at Brahmatal. So half an hour into this trek and you'll land up in this huge open meadow section and you'll have the first view or the first glimpse of the snow-covered peaks of Himalaya. So guys, there somewhere is Ratgaon, and from there also you can start this trek. And if you want to do that route, please contact Mr. Pradeep. Mount Trishul, Nanda Gomti, up close. Roopkund is somewhere around here. Bugyal is in front of you. This one is Ali Bugyal. This one is Bedini Bugyal. Right now the weather is clear. At this point of time there must be snow in Brahmatal, but due to climate change there has been no snow in Ali Bugyal or Bedini Bugyal or in the whole route of Brahmatal. So guys, we have pitched our camp way away from all those trekking groups. This is a beautiful place to be, one of the best food outlets that I have seen in mountains. We have wildlife photographers with us. They found a civet, 3 civets. He's from Gatneo. He's from National Geographic. So guys, we are just waiting for the sunset. We have collected all the firewood that we need and we are just exploring the area. Eat them. Wait. Yeah. मैंने तुम्हारी आंखें खोल दी. Your
दांत
your prize for the internship. Your internship is over.
Yeah.
This is what you have received as an award. So guys, it has started snowing heavily and we just can't wait to get out of the camp early morning. The whole area which was completely brown will be covered by this white. You could hear the sound of snowflakes hitting the tent, and this is what it looks like on the outside. The whole meadow will be covered with this white blanket early in the morning. It is an amazing experience here at Brahmatal. So this is this guy's first North Indian trek, or like first trek ever.
First trek ever, apart from the small trek of Bijli Mahadev. But this is the first snowfall in my whole life.
He came all the way from Hyderabad.
We're very excited to see the snow and very happy for this.
I like this English. Very nice. The laddu. Have it, bro.
Thank you, bro.
This is for my...
अरे कहाँ गया वो? Where is it?
Arre yaar! This is rock solid. So we are going out to have our dinner. गाजर का हलवा prepared by Mr. Pradeep.
Pardeep.
Hey, suit.
So guys, this is the status of snowfall here at Brahmatal. This is our tent number 1. And this is the situation when we have pitched the tent in almost a perfect condition. We have tied all the threads. The outer is not touching the inner. We have made all the arrangements, but still you'll see that yes, snow accumulates every 5 minutes on the tent. But definitely it is a very, very, very beautiful experience. This is a tent number 3. This is in the most horrifying condition. So guys, this has been the very first snowfall of 2018, and this has been an amazing experience as of now. I am eagerly waiting for tomorrow morning. The visibility has reduced to a great extent